So one of the main things you have to think about when traveling is how to keep all your tech charged. Nowadays, it's not just our phones and laptops we need to think about, but iPads, watches, and even wireless earphones need charging. So this video is all about charging solutions for when you're traveling. All the products in this video are gifted by Ugreen, and you can shop them using the links in the description below. But as always, this is my completely unbiased review of the products. So first, we need something to carry our tech in, and this travel case is perfect for that. It's got a hard outer shell to protect your tech from any bumps or drops, and this leather carrying strap swivels outwards to help you carry the case more easily. It comes with a carabiner, which is nice if you want to attach something like an AirPods case to it or hook it onto a backpack, and I also really like the quality of the zip. There's just something about a smooth zip that makes a product feel a bit more premium. And then, opening up the case, you can see that it's got a lot of space inside for your accessories. First, you've got the main compartment, so you can see I've got a power bank, a portable charging station, my AirPods, and a USB-C cable all stored in this section. It's also got this strip, which you can adjust really easily using the Velcro, so you can see if I need to move it around, I can just unstick the Velcro on both sides and readjust it as required. Then, in the middle divider, it's got these mesh pockets which are perfect for storing smaller items like cables, memory cards, or even extra watch straps, so you can keep all your items really well organized and easy to access. Then the other side is a zipped mesh compartment, and I've got my hard drive and Apple Pencil in this one. The whole inside is lined with soft materials and velvet to help dampen any falls and avoid scratching your items, and the whole case becomes nice and compact, so it's great for putting it into a backpack or hand luggage. Then moving on to the Ugreen MagFlow Collapsible MagSafe charging station, and I think this is one of the best designed charging solutions on the market. You can see that when it's folded down, it's really compact and about twice the thickness of an AirPods case, but once you reach your destination, this folds out into a multi-charging station that fits perfectly on your bedside table or desk. As I mentioned, it is MagSafe, so you can charge your iPhone on it vertically or make use of standby mode when charging it in landscape. The charging head also has a lot of flexibility, so you can make sure to get the correct viewing height and angle when using the dock. On the base of the dock, there's an area made specifically for your AirPods, so while charging your phone, you can just drop your AirPods onto this indented section to start wirelessly charging them. A little known fact is that some AirPod models are now MagSafe compatible, so you can actually charge them on the MagSafe charger too. So by itself, this is a 2-in-1 charging dock that delivers 15 watts fast charging, which is the maximum possible through a MagSafe connection, but it's also got a USB-C output port on the right, and that's specifically for adding an Apple Watch charging puck that's sold separately. So if you do have to charge your phone, AirPods, and Apple Watch at the same time, you can turn this 2-in-1 charging station into one that charges 3 items all at the same time. The charging station is made out of high quality materials and I think looks really sleek, and the hinges of the folding arm have a nice resistance to them and feel really durable. It's got a charging indicator on the front, and the base also has a counterweight inside, making the whole thing more stable and strong enough to support the iPhone 16 Pro Max. At £35 retail, I think it's a great addition to any travel tech kit. So let's put that away and bring out the next item, the Ugreen Nexode 12,000 mAh power bank, and I'd describe this as a gentle monster. As you can see, it's quite small, so it does fit comfortably in my hand, but that doesn't stop it from delivering a lot of power. It can supply up to 100 watts fast charging, which is more than enough to charge your phone, iPad, and even your laptop at full speed. I tested the power bank by charging the new iPhone 16 Pro Max, and in 30 minutes it charged the iPhone 40%. Generally speaking, it should be able to charge your phone about twice before needing to be recharged, and the power bank itself supports 65 watts recharging, so you can fully charge it in about 1.5 hours, which for a power bank of this size is pretty impressive. And Ugreen also make this really high quality USB-C cable. It's braided so it feels more premium and will last longer than a standard plastic cable, and comes in 1 meter and 2 meter options. The power bank's also got a USB-A port, so if you need to, you can charge 2 devices at the same time, which is always a great option to have. It's got a digital screen which shows you the remaining battery level, and it actually makes different faces in standby mode depending on how charged the power bank is, so you know if it needs to be recharged or not at a quick glance. The whole thing feels really premium and well built, and it's got a nice tactile button, and it's got anti-slip strips on the back, so if you want to lay the power bank down on a plane tray or a train table, you can be sure it's not going to be sliding around everywhere. So if you're looking for a power bank that's going to deliver a lot of power and charge your devices really quickly, this is an awesome option. But if you're someone that's always on their laptop and needs to charge it on the go, then 12,000 mAh may not be enough for you. I call this the gentle monster, but Ugreen also sent me its big brother, the Nexode 20,000 mAh power bank, and this is the real monster. For size reference, this is the power bank next to a regular iPhone 14 and the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and it still fits in my hand, but it's not comfortable to hold for a long period of time, as it weighs nearly 500 grams, compared to the 300 gram 12,000 mAh version. So you ideally want to carry it around in a backpack. Now, this should charge your phone about 3 times or your laptop once and have a bit of charge left over. It's got 3 ports, so the first USB-C port is capable of delivering 100 watts of power, and the second one can deliver up to 30 watts, meaning the power bank can power up to 130 watts at any one time. Plus, you can use a USB-A port to charge 3 devices all at the same time. The screen on this power bank is better than its smaller counterpart, but not only is it easier to read, it also gives you a lot more information. When you're charging it, it'll tell you how long it's got left to charge to 100%, and on the flip side, if you're charging your devices, it'll tell you how long it'll last until it's fully out of battery. This shows you the remaining battery level, and just below that you can see which ports are being used and how much power is being drawn from the power bank. Then, if you press the button one more time, it shows you current and voltage statistics and a live power curve as well. Again, it feels really premium and well built, and it's got the same tactile button and anti-slip strips on the back, so if you're someone that needs a bit more charge while traveling, this is definitely the option you want to go for. The Nexode 12,000 mAh power bank retails at £50, and the 20,000 mAh power bank retails at £90, but it looks like they're currently discounted on Amazon along with the MagFlow charging station and the £18 travel case, so if you do want to buy them, make sure you use the links in the description below. Let me know in the comments what you think about these travel charging products. If you enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.